Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Aman Artwork. First of all, I want to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. We have successfully reached 1000 plus subscribers. I'm looking forward for more. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And without wasting further time, let's start with the tutorial. So today we are going to make handmade DIY papers from old scratch papers. So yeah, let's start. So the first thing we will need, guys, are Shorty papers. You can use any kind of paper here. I use printed sheets which were lying around as waste. You also gonna need a bowl and some water to soak these in. Now let's just cut these into smaller pieces so that these absorb water nicely. Cutting paper like this was really fun, guys. I enjoyed this process a lot. If you are stressed or bored, I suggest you to make handmade paper to get satisfied. So I finally chopped all of the paper, guys. Yeah, please don't look at these. Leave these bad boys alone for 10 minutes so that these soak in water. So yeah, I'm back after 10 minutes. Now we're gonna need a mixer jar. So now let's just put these inside the mixer jar. We are going to make pulp out of this. Please add in more water while grinding the paste or pulp so that it comes out with the right consistency. It should not be too thick or too thin. This consistency is just right. Now all we gonna need is a big tub filled with water or anything which has big surface area so that we can pour our pulp inside it. Let's start with pouring our pulp. I'm pouring all the pulp at once. You can even save it for later and pour in between. We will also gonna need a strainer or sieve like this. You can use any kind of sieve or strainer. I had the round one, so I'm using this only, and you can easily find this in local market. Let's remove all the big chunks which were left behind. And now let's just dive in with the most satisfying part. So move it around so that our pulp gets settled inside the strainer. And just wait for the water to drain out so that we are remain with the pulp that we need. Dab the strainer so that the excessive water get removed. Make sure you dab it lightly or else you are going to ruin your pulp. Use your hand to settle down the uneven part. So here's our pulp. We also gonna need piece of cloth. I used a bed sheet here which was lying around and my mom allowed me to use it. Put the piece of cloth above the pulp as I did here and press it gently so the water inside the pulp gets removed and we are left behind with a beautiful handmade paper. So here's a handmade paper, guys. Now we are going to remove it on another surface. So I stole my sister's dupatta, so she is going to kill me when she watches this. And now gently dab over it so it removes the net or mesh by itself. While removing the paper, some unevenness can happen, so you can use your hand to fix it up. You can leave it for drying, or for instant result you can use iron or press. So for the video purpose I am using the press, or else I leave it as it is. So now we are going to iron it for 1 to 2 minutes and a handmade paper will be ready, although it will be a bit moist. So we will need to keep it for around 10 to 20 minutes to dry. So gently remove it from the cloth, and here it is. See, it's a bit moist, just like a chapati. And now we are going to keep it for 10 to 20 minutes so that it gets dried completely. You can make a lot of handmade paper with this amount of pulp. So after 5 to 10 minutes of drying, these will be ready to use. And tada, here's our final outcome, guys. These came out pretty good. These are the best one. Some of these came a bit cracked and uneven, but I can use them for painting. And yeah, making this was really fun. So do try out making these. Suggest me some more videos so that I can come up with more content. So here's the final product, guys. It turned out pretty cool, I must say. These are really good for watercolor painting. I mean, look at the thickness. It's really good. And secondly, the bestest thing about this paper is that these are recycled, and making this was really fun. You should try making these. And thanks for watching my video. And if you liked my video, please subscribe.